Meet the pluggable UD6950 PDH, a DisplayLink dual 4K monitor docking station perfect for MacBooks. Break free from Apple's external display limits on M1, M2, M3 MacBooks, plus full Windows support. This dock has a total of 13 ports. Up front, we have a USB-C port, perfect for modern devices, 4 super speed USB-A ports, an audio jack, and SD and microSD card slots. This side's USB-C port, that's your main link from dock to laptop. In the back, Gigabit Ethernet for fast networking. Choose 2 HDMI, 2 DisplayPorts, or mix and match for your monitor inputs. And that's the pluggable UD6950 PDH.